How to fix Bereal Unprocessable entity on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, just open battery and disable power saving mode, and then go to storage and click clean up, and then clean some space here. And now let's move to the next step. So just open Play Store and update your Bereal. And if that can fix your problem, if that doesn't fix your problem, just open settings and then click apps and apps again, and here just type Bereal, or you can just scroll and you will find it. Click on it and then click storage, and here you will find clear cache. Click on it, and after that just click force stop. And now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.